Everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to be doing a really quick one, and it's going to be replacing the rear window wiper on our 2011 Xterra. Same wiper, same process, should apply to all of the 2005 to 2015 Xterras, all of that second generation. And the part number we're going to be using to replace the existing wiper is Bosch part number H306, which there will be a link down in the description area below to where I have purchased this in the past. So we're going to go ahead, hop over to the truck. Should be a really quick process, like I said, and get this thing changed. Alrighty, so we're now here at the back of the vehicle. Again, it is an incredibly easy process to change the wiper. So first thing we need to do is double check that we have the correct wiper blade, just on a face value. Looks like we do. So we're going to go ahead and pull off the old blade. It's very simple. You just have to pull the arm out towards you, as you just saw, and then take the old blade and just rotate it out, and then rotate it off of the arm right here. Now I'm going to very carefully put that back. If you let it snap back, it can crack or scratch your window, so definitely don't recommend that. And you can see this arm came off just like so, with the center pivot right there, and then two little nubs over here. You can see the new wiper arm here, exactly the same. So all we're going to do is lay the old one down, take the new one, stick it over the arm, with the arm going through this area on the wiper right here on the left hand side of the center pivot, and then rotating it into place. Because it's a brand new blade, or brand new wiper arm I should say, it's a little more difficult to get into place than the old one, but there we go. It's on, done deal. So super easy. With that, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in our next video. Take care.